there, so glad you're joining me with Sparkling Martini Crafts. It is late tonight, so I am in my comfy, cozy clothes. I got my scarf on, so forgive me because I have been working all day and I'm sure that you guys can relate to that. So if you're not already in your cozy clothes, go throw some on so that we can be cozy together. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's talk about this project. So today I made my gallery wall. I was excited to do this. I've been thinking about doing this for a while, especially after I painted this wall back here, this nice rich teal color. I feel like it's made this space pop. So after I changed out the picture to this beautiful painting that I've had for a long time, sitting in my garage, I pulled it back out. I was like, it reminds me of a gallery. Let me do a gallery wall just to bring it all together. So I'll show you my process and how I picked everything. But since we have developed this gallery setting, we gotta have some wine, right? So I prefer a nice red. And so, believe it or not, 19 Crimes Snoop Dogg wine. If you have not tried this, you have got to try it. Even if you're not a red wine drinker and you're more into white wine, you would probably love this. It's a red blend, and when I looked it up online, it said it's a red blend of Merlot, Zinfandel, and Cabernet, I believe. And it's really smooth, it's good. I actually recommend it to my friends who are more into like Moscatos. And this is not a sweet wine, but it's very smooth. I don't even know if I can call it semi-sweet, but it's not tart at all. I'm not a sommelier, so I really can't get into the logistics of all the wine and the taste. I just know that it's good. And so I poured myself up a glass and I will sip it as we talk about this project. But look at the cork. Snoop Dogg is on this cork. Okay. It is a nice glass. Get it. It also has a QR code so you can learn more about who Snoop was. And I think on all the 19 Crimes, whoever's on the front, you scan the QR code on the back and you just learn their story. So it's a cool bottle of wine. You learn a little something new about the people, like you learn a little story. So try it out if you haven't tried it. Without further ado, salute, and let's get into this project, y'all. Let's get started. All right, so I'm excited about this. I got my artwork from 97 Decor. I really like them because their packs included 3 different sizes, 4x6, 5x7, and 8x10 inch prints, and they really just separated it by category. So I found categories that really spoke to me. Like I love the floral category, the vintage floral. They even had the eclectic category, and then I chose Black women art, and I felt like it spoke to me. And here are just some examples of all their different artwork, packaged really nice, and it came with a handwritten note. Next, the frames. Pick multi-pick frames. Find one that includes a mat and has glass. I think it makes it more classier. These ones had 2 of each size in the pack. I literally took the frames and set them down, and then I started to arrange the prints down on the ground to make sure I really liked it. Like, just play around with it, make sure the colors appeal to you, and then look at it from a bird's eye view. Does it resonate? Are you feeling this design? I was feeling it. I loved it. Now I'm gonna prep everything. So you wanna make sure you get the dust off. This kit was nice because it came with the dust cloth, and I eventually used Windex because you gotta get everything off of it. I took the print, I made sure that it lined up with the mat piece. Make sure you find the front of the mat. It has a beveled edge. I lined everything up. And this kit was so awesome. It came with the dust cloth. It came with glue dots. I love a good glue dot. So after you line everything up, take one of the glue dots, simply put it on the back, easy peasy. And then you're going to put one at the bottom for extra security. Now you can take the backing off, but I didn't find that necessary. Do what works for you, but I feel like this could work if you tried it. Go ahead and give it a try. If you see something better, put it down in the comments or tell me what you do. Also, Just go ahead and line those prongs up and you are good to go. I'm going to show you again in this demonstration, and then you're going to also see me use a paper towel with the Windex. You can't go wrong by being a little extra clean. Just make sure you dry it all the way so that the print doesn't stick to the frame. So you're going to see this. It's a quick process, and just do that for all of your frames until you're done. If you're really enjoying watching Sparkling Martini Crafts, make sure that you subscribe. Also, leave me a like and comment and let me know which print has been your favorite so far. I really think I'm loving these goldfish. They are so vibrant. To hang the frames, you'll want a hammer, some measuring tape, and some blue painter's tape. I used the blue painter's tape to measure out and to reference where I wanted the 8x10 print. My frame kit came with this cool push pin nail. It's a hook for the frame. It's very easy to use. You just place it and hammer it in. Blue painter's tape is great to tape down the stand on the back of the frame. Arrange the pictures to your liking. Now, this is the before and this is the after. I hope that you make your gallery walls sparkle. Feel free to mix up your designs. I want to see it. Make sure that you tag me, like, comment, and share Sparkling Martini Crafts. Please join me on the next crafting adventure. Until next time.